As many as 28% of the candidates in fray in the 6 parliamentary constituencies of Bhubaneswar, Cuttack, Dhenkanal, Keonjhar, Puri, and Sambalpur in Odisha that are going to polls on 25th May have declared criminal cases against them. 2 days after the BJP replaced Rajendra Kumar Das with Parshuram Dhada from Soro Assembly seat, the former today resigned from the primary membership of the party. Ganjam District Administration on Thursday clamped prohibitory orders under Section 144 CRPC in 100 MTR area around Khallekote police station. In a big relief to Cine star turned MP Anubhav Mohanty, the Orissa High Court today put a stay on the non-bailable warrant, NBW, against him issued by a lower court in connection with a domestic violence case. At a time when poll violence is on the peak at Khallekote in Ganjam district following the death of a person due to clash between BJD and BJP workers, another firing incident at Polsara in the district has added headache to police. Odisha is likely to witness paradoxical weather conditions during the next week. While the regional office of the India Meteorological Department, IMD, in Bhubaneswar, Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik on Thursday condemned Khallekote poll violence incident which claimed 1 life. The BJP national president, who is on a 2-day election campaigning in Odisha, held a roadshow from the Mosima Square to Lingaraj Temple in Bhubaneswar on Thursday morning. Amid thunderstorms and lightning, the mercury is again soaring across Odisha after a brief lull due to rainfall triggered by nor'wester. As a result, several places in the state are witnessing a gradual rise in day temperature. As many as 3 labourers were killed after a heap of soil caved in on them at Kapila Rehensa under Binjharpur block in Jajpur district on Thursday morning. National President of Bharatiya Janata Party JP Nadda will hold a roadshow between Mosima Chak and Lingaraj Temple here today at 9 am. The Commissionerate Police has issued a traffic advisory for the people in Bhubaneswar given Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik's roadshow in the capital city. Soon after the news of a joint press conference by AAP Supremo Arvind Kejriwal and Samajwadi Party Chief Akhilesh Yadav came on Wednesday evening. JDS Supremo and former Prime Minister HD Deve Gowda, who is turning 92 years old on 18th May, on Thursday announced the cancellation of his birthday celebrations. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said on Thursday that the India bloc will disintegrate after 4th June when the votes for the ongoing Lok Sabha elections are counted. Union Home Minister Amit Shah said during an election campaign in Bihar's Sitamarhi district on Thursday that just like Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Union Minister for Railways, Communications and IT, Ashwini Vaishnaw on Thursday gave a detailed insight into the transformative journey of the Indian Railways in Prime Minister Narendra Modi-led government and explained how it was being tailored to take it to next level. Hajipur, SC reserved seat is one of the hot seats of Bihar which will decide the political future of youth leader Chirag Paswan, who is the national president of the Lok Janshakti Party Ram Vilas, LJP-RV. The Enforcement Directorate, ED, will soon file a supplementary charge sheet in a money laundering case linked to the alleged excise policy scam arraying Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal and Aam Aadmi Party. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, on Thursday, claimed that although she and her party Trinamool Congress are an integral part of the opposition India bloc, the West Bengal unit of Congress and CPIM are not included in it. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, on Tuesday, performed Ganga Pujan at Dashashwamedh Ghat in Uttar Pradesh Varanasi on the occasion of Ganga Saptami. The hit streaming series, Scam, is set to return with its 3rd part after Scam 1992, The Harshad Mehta Story, and Scam 2003, The Telgi Story. Kartik Aaryan on Thursday unveiled the 2nd poster from the upcoming sports drama, Chandu Champion, leaving fans in awe of his impeccably sculpted physique. Bollywood star Aishwarya Rai Bachchan was joined by her daughter Aradhya Bachchan to attend the 77th Cannes Film Festival at the French Riviera. The Chris Hemsworth and Anya Taylor-Joy star, Furiosa, received a thunderous response at the 77th Cannes Film Festival. The jury of the ongoing Cannes Film Festival graced the film festival on Tuesday as they posed for the Shutterbugs stationed at the venue in the French Riviera. The Indian junior men's hockey team is gearing up for their tour of Europe scheduled for later this month, and Prince Deep Singh, the team's goalkeeper. The striker position in the Indian football team is one that has remained untouched ever since 2005 when a 20-year-old Sunil Chhetri made his way into the team, which is why the all-important question arises, who will take up the mantle after Chhetri's final game? Harbhajan Singh, former off-spinner and member of the 2007 Men's T20 World Cup winning team, believes it will be a tricky time for India when they face Pakistan in the upcoming edition of the mega event, as both countries don't play much against each other internationally. In the occasion of Global Accessibility Awareness Day, Disney Star, in association with India Signing Hands, ISH, announced the availability of an Indian Sign Language feed for the upcoming ICC Men's T20 World Cup, starting 1st June.